Hello, very happy to see you all today. Welcome to my channel, Sophie Stained Glass. Sad broken piece. Yay, it's fixed. So today I will demonstrate how to make one of these. And I'm very proud of today's video because I've got a feeling it won't just be off the back of my head. Those of you who've been watching other of my recent reproduction painting videos will have noticed that I set the camera up and get really into what I'm doing and lean further and further across my work until all you see is the back of my head. And who knew I had so many greys? Well, we all do now. So anyway, I probably won't say very much, if anything at all, in this video because I've said it in recent videos, so you can just watch me work. Thank you.
Caught in the rain again, it made my room smell damp. The light is stale, I think I need a lamp. Oh, he says he's falling, I don't believe him. He says he's falling, I can't believe him. What's changed? What's changed? Sat on the window ledge inside of water stones. That's where I stay for hours instead of going home. Oh, he says he's falling, I can't believe him. He says he's falling, I can't believe him. He already fell. He already Julian, foot dug in the earth. Julian, push me in the dirt. But you Julian, rooted in the trees. Julian, do not look at me. But I shall not see their leaves in your hair. I must not see clouds of dust in the air. Sing with me, and we'll leave it at that. Julian, and your blue-gray socks, pressing in twigs and stems and rocks. But you shall not know the underneath, and you must not feel the relief of teeth. Sing with me, and believe it. Sing with me, and we'll leave it at. How to translate this lump in my throat into melody? If songwriting is not for navel gazing, then what is? I don't want to feel ashamed all the time, all the time. Let music be a haven for me, please. My love keeps my sadness well hidden. as we breathe the same air. No space for me to wonder, do I dare, do I dare? No time to turn back and descend the stair. In the evening, when I return home to a quiet house, space and time are bound. Despair makes itself known, flooding back, catching up. Oh, remember the time when solace was a haven for me. My love keeps my sadness well hidden. 100 visions and revisions will make themselves scarce as we breathe the same air. No space for me to wonder, do I dare, do I dare? No time to turn back and descend the stair. I loved my love with all my beating heart. Such a shame then that I have such a limited capacity for coping, regardless of where I am, what I do. So I let him be a haven for me. And my love kept my sadness well hidden. 100 visions and revisions, well, they made themselves scarce. Well, we breathed the same air, and there was no space for me to wonder, do I dare, do I dare? And no time to turn back and descend the stair.
So there we go. I hope you enjoyed the video. A little bit of restful painting. I do enjoy my painted work. Any questions, let me know. Anything you want to see in a video, let me know. Although quite possibly it is there in one of my playlists and I can possibly direct you to it. There are so many, even I'm getting a bit muddled. Hence I have slowed down making videos, but I'm sure you'll be able to find probably what you want. So yes, thank you for joining me today, and please like, comment and subscribe.
I am a child in his arms. Whisper something soft and calm.